What if I told you there are crops you can plant once and harvest for years? Crops that grow in poor soil, survive neglect, store themselves naturally, and keep producing food when everything else fails. Most people think gardening success comes from trendy plants, expensive setups, or constant maintenance. But when times get tough, trends don't matter. Reliability does. Welcome back to Flora Craft Garden. This channel is all about skipping the hype and focusing on what actually works, especially if you're gardening on a budget or planning for long-term food security. If you're new here, you're in the right place. Today's list is different from what you usually hear. Everyone talks about beans, corn, and squash. And sure, those have their place. But today, we're going deeper. These are crops chosen for one simple reason: maximum food with minimum effort. Many of them are perennial, meaning they come back year after year. Some of them store underground so you don't need a root cellar. Others grow wild, unnoticed, right under people's feet. These are the kinds of plants our grandparents knew about, the kinds of crops indigenous cultures relied on, the kinds of foods that quietly kept people alive long before grocery stores existed. And yet, most modern gardeners have never even heard of them. Another key thing about this list: space efficiency. When land, time, or energy is limited, you need crops that work harder for you. Several of these plants produce food above and below ground. Others grow vertically or in shade. Some even turn waste into food. And here's something important: you don't need all 15. Even adding 2 or 3 of these to your garden can dramatically increase your food security. One of these crops alone can feed you for months with almost no ongoing work. So if even one plant on this list surprises you, drop the number in the comments. And if you want gardening advice that actually makes sense, not just what looks good on social media, make sure you subscribe. All right, let's get into it. Number 1. Sunchokes. Jerusalem artichokes. Sunchokes are perennial tubers that look like ginger root and taste like a mix of potato and artichoke. Plant them once, and they come back every year, aggressively. Underground, the tubers multiply fast, and you can harvest any time from fall through winter. They store themselves in the ground, require poor soil, little water, and almost no care. One small patch can feed you for months. Number 2. Walking onions. Walking onions reproduce by growing bulbs on top of their stems. When the stems bend, the bulbs touch the ground and root themselves. That's how they walk. Every part is edible: green tops, underground bulbs, and topset bulbs. They're perennial, extremely tough, and one of the earliest plants to emerge in spring. Number 3. Oyster mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms are one of the easiest mushrooms to grow. They thrive on logs, straw, or even cardboard. With minimal space and effort, you can harvest pounds of protein-rich food. They grow fast, produce for years, and turn waste materials into food. Number 4. Amaranth. Amaranth is a dual-purpose crop. The leaves are edible like spinach, and the seeds are a gluten-free grain. One plant can produce thousands of seeds that store for years. It thrives in heat, poor soil, and requires very little care. Number 5. Perennial kale. Unlike regular kale, perennial kale can produce leaves for many years. It's extremely nutrient-dense, cold-hardy, and one of the earliest greens to appear in spring. Number 6. Groundnuts. Apios americana. A native North American vine that produces protein-rich tubers underground. It's perennial, nitrogen-fixing, and climbs vertically, giving you food above and below ground. Number 7. Dandelions. Often seen as weeds, dandelions are completely edible. Leaves, roots, and flowers all provide nutrition. They grow everywhere, require zero care, and are more nutritious than many cultivated greens. Number 8. Garlic. Garlic is easy to grow, stores for months, and doubles as medicine. Plant once in fall, harvest in summer, and save cloves for the next season. Number 9. Sorrel. A perennial leafy green with a lemony flavor. Sorrel produces from early spring to late fall and thrives in poor soil with little attention. Number 10. Potatoes. Potatoes produce huge calories in small spaces and store for months. They're easy to propagate and incredibly versatile. Number 11. Perennial leeks. These leeks multiply in clumps and can be harvested gradually. They're cold, hardy, reliable, and require almost no maintenance. Number 12. Rhubarb. Once established, rhubarb can produce for decades. It's extremely cold hardy and one of the earliest spring harvests. Number 13. Fava beans. Fava beans grow in cool weather, fix nitrogen, and can be eaten fresh or dried. Dried beans store for years. Number 14. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes provide calorie-dense roots and edible leaves. They store well and thrive in warm climates. Number 15. Cattails. Cattails grow in wetlands and produce massive amounts of edible material. Roots, shoots, and pollen are all usable, making them one of the most overlooked survival foods.